In this video, we are going to show you 3 different arm stylings you can do in a turn. We start from easy and go to difficult. Let's go!
I saw stars on the pavement, California dreams, looked up through the bright lights.
Okay guys, so for all of these 3 turns, this is what we're going to do. We are throwing her hands in 1, 2, 3, 4. And in 3, 4, we are doing a slight rotation for the preparation of the turn. Now we are turning the lady here in that direction, and we do our basic in 5, 6, 7, 8. And in 8, we ask again for the hands.
For the follower, when he starts throwing your arms, make sure to keep the control over your arms and bring them up. Make sure to keep your shoulders down and not bring them up to your ears. Have a very long neck. And make sure to keep your arms long and straight when you turn like this. Let's go. 1, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it from another point of view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure to bring your arms down on 7, 8 so he can continue the leading.
I saw stars on the pavement, California dreams, looked up through the bright lights.
So for the second turn, the preparation for the leader is the same as before. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. For the follower now, we bring on 4 our right arm down and have our left arm up. When we start turning, we change our arms always when we do 1 step, and on 8, we bring our arm down. Make sure to have always the contrary arm and leg movement. Let's do it from this point of view. Let's go on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I saw stars on the pavement, California dreams.
So for the third turn, we are going to prepare our hands as before, and on 4 we bring our hands here together like this. We start turning and we do the helicopter movement with our hands, and make sure that at the end of the turn you have your palms of the hands outwards to bring your hands down slowly and offer them to the leader. I'm going to show you the helicopter movement slowly. You bring your hands together like this, and then you start turning into one direction. You open one hand to the front, and then you keep turning. You close the other hand and keep turning, close the next hand, and now you're again in the first position. If you're having problems with this movement, make sure to check out our other video where I explain this movement step by step slowly. Let's do it from this point of view. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and watch our other videos. They will help you to improve your dance as well. Subscribe to our channel and see you next time. Bye!